Hi everyone, it's me, Glenn. I'm in my new apartment. I know this is gonna feel a little strange after many videos of American landscapes, the sort of pastoral stuff that I've been showing you for the past 6 months, but this is the beginning of a new part of being lost in Biden's America. An important part of America. We're in New York City, and this is my new apartment. I want to show you around, and then I want to show you the view. I should say as we get started on this tour that all of my content is available at lostinbidensamerica.substack.com. There's a lot less of it these days because I have a real job. Here's the living room. We have a air conditioner, heater. We'll look at the view later. It's a small space, but I'll be able to work with it. In here we have a kitchen with newish appliances. We have a refrigerator, dishwasher, a gas stove, of course. It's New York City, everything's gas, and microwave. Then there's a small, dining area where I can put my table, or, I might even put a standing work desk there. And from this corner, we can see both the living room and the kitchen. Now, one of the odd things about this apartment experience is that the apartment itself is dirty. I mean, usually they have cleaners come and clean up the mess. They did not. So there's dust and debris. There's even a little broken glass in the bathroom. We have a closet here, another closet here. Bathroom, small but functional. Importantly, it doesn't have that standard like New York City wraparound clawfoot tub thing. That's not really friendly for Glenn's. So we got a tub, sink, toilet, mirror, little bit of broken glass. I think there were 3 bulbs that surrounded, or three glass fixtures that surrounded those bulbs, and they broke, and they weren't properly cleaned up, is my thought. Seems strange, like if you were trying to sell apartments, you would, clean the fucking thing, but, I'm not a real estate agent. This is the bedroom. Again, not a big space, but not a small space either. You could fit a king-size bed here pretty easily. I don't want to do that. There's another teaser of the view. I don't want to fill this space with bed. I'd like to keep my bed small and then, find a way to really use this space. Closets are actually kind of nice. I've got a double closet here with some hangers, hanging rods, I guess, and some shelves. So that's nice. And back up. All right, let's go take a look at the view. All right, we are on the 20th floor of a 33-story building. This balcony is big enough for, two chairs and a table if I want to set it up. Crucially, there's also an outlet there. So if I want to come out here and work, I can do that. And just sit out here with my laptop. Okay. So this horseshoe-shaped development here, that is Marble Hill. That's the neighborhood that I'm technically in. It is, sometimes, in some ways, it is part of Manhattan, and in other ways, it is part of the Bronx. But for certain, those buildings over there, that's where the Bronx definitely begins, and everything you see in that skyline, that is the Bronx. Over there's a neighborhood called Spoiten-Duivel. Spoiten is over that way. But what we have here is a whole situation. So this is the Harlem River. It is the river that encircles that last bit of Manhattan to make it an island. It used to go around Marble Hill. So Marble Hill used to be part of that. But in the 1890s, they built a canal here. This is actually a canal that connected the Hudson River, which is over there, to the Harlem River, and it bypassed this neighborhood. So the Harlem River used to go up and around this neighborhood and down, and then this canal cut that off, so then Marble Hill became part of the Bronx. I would learn that on Wikipedia. Very interesting to me right now. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, because this is key. That's the Target. That's a walking distance Target. This here, let's zoom in even more. This is, let's not do that. That is the station for the 1 train. And the 1 train runs along this bridge. Let's back out again. So the 1 train runs along here and down and down and down, and it goes all the way to downtown Manhattan. And then this rail here, you can see, that's the commuter rail that I've been riding every day to get to work from the suburbs. So Marble Hill is a spot where you can get off the commuter rail system and then hop over to the subway system and save yourself some money and some time transferring systems there. So that's what I've been doing. And so this is the Inwood neighborhood of Manhattan. It's the very tippy north of Manhattan. And coincidentally, right here, this is all Columbia University property. This is the sports complex. So, a little slice of university right in my backyard. Now, what we can't see over to the right of the sports complex is an enormous park. Inwood Park is this big, beautiful, forested place where you can run and hike and sit and feed the birds and lay in the sun. It's a lovely place where I plan to spend some time. But that's it. That's my view. So we got Manhattan, the Columbia Sports Complex. We got the Hudson line of the commuter rail and the 1 train. We got the Target. That's crucial. We got the Marble Hill neighborhood. And we got the Bronx. Thanks for joining me, everyone. We'll catch you next time with more New York City content.